Hi viewers, welcome. Hope you are in the best of your health. Dear viewers, I have started this YouTube channel. There are free of cost learning tutorials. If you want to learn Power BI, Spaces, SQL Server, Stata, online data collection tools such as Kobo, Google Forum, MS Forum, ODK, data science, GIS, database development using C#, web development, HTML, CSS, PHP, MySQL, JavaScript, and WordPress, C#, C language, R language, registration for international scholarships, MS Outlook, Wycliffe, data management, advanced Excel, data visualization using Excel, Power BI, Tableau, and R language. And you can also find different learning tips and tricks for more and for improving your skill. I have detailed playlist and there are different tutorials. Visit this channel, you can find lots of tutorials. Kindly support me, visit this channel. For example, I have Power BI basic to advanced level tutorials step by step in this channel. So if you start this learning session, so from the start you can go ahead and you will find a sequence sessions. Kindly support me, visit channel, watch, learn and improve your productivity. Thanks.